BBQ shrimp with herb butter, restaurant flavor, backyard easy. Let's fire up the grill. We're dropping new grilling recipes every week. First, the shrimp. You can clean these yourself by removing shells and deveining, or do what I do and grab them already cleaned from your fishmonger. Time to build that marinade. This is super simple but absolutely packed with flavor. Start with a good pour of olive oil. This helps everything stick to the shrimp. Now squeeze fresh lime juice. That citrus brightness is essential for seafood. A generous splash of soy sauce adds that savory umami depth. And here's where we bring the heat. My spicy rub goes in. Whisk this all together until it's well combined. Look at that beautiful color developing. Now add your shrimp and toss them really well. Get in there with your hands if you need to. We want every single shrimp completely coated with this marinade. Perfect. Cover these up and let them marinate in the fridge for a few hours. The longer they sit, the more flavor they absorb. While they rest, let's make the herb butter that's going to take these over the top. Now for the herb butter. This is what transforms these shrimp from great to absolutely legendary. Make sure your butter is at room temperature, soft but not melted. This makes mixing so much easier and keeps that perfect creamy texture. I'm also adding a sprinkle of SPOG rub, that's salt, pepper, onion and garlic. Add all your chopped herbs into the butter to tie all the flavors together. Now mix it all up with a fork until you get this gorgeous green color throughout. Look at that. This herb butter is going to melt over those hot shrimp and create an incredible sauce. Into the fridge it goes to firm up while we prep the grill. Alright, time to fire up the BBQ. I'm using my pellet grill, filling up that hopper with pellets. We're preheating to 200 degrees Celsius. While this comes up to temperature, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your go-to BBQ recipe? What do you love grilling the most? Your ideas always inspire my next videos, so let me know. Grill's hot and ready. Let's cook. Listen to that sizzle. That's the sound of flavor being locked in right there. Lay your shrimp out on those hot grates, giving them a little breathing room. Here's the secret with shrimp. They cook fast and you need to flip them often. While these cook, I'm putting my herb butter in this baking pan ceramic. Keep flipping those shrimp regularly. See how they're turning that gorgeous pink-orange color? Don't walk away from these. They cook quick. Perfect. Shrimp are done. Turn off that grill and now comes the absolute best part. All these beautiful grilled shrimp go straight into that melted herb butter. Now toss them around really well. We want every single shrimp completely coated in this incredible sauce. Alright, moment of truth. Time to taste. Oh wow. The shrimps are perfectly cooked. Tender, juicy, not rubbery at all. And that spicy rub? Just enough kick without overpowering the seafood. This is a winner, folks. And there you have it. BBQ shrimp with herb butter. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. If you love this recipe, hit like button. It really helps the channel grow. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite seafood to cook on the grill? I read every comment. Your ideas inspire my next recipes. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new BBQ recipe. We're dropping fresh content every week with tips, tricks, and mouth-watering dishes like this one. Thanks for cooking with me at Terrace BBQ Trials.